Hello everyone, I'm Anissa Nandarini with NPM 24411021 class MNJ 24B. In this video I will explain about negotiation. 1. Definition of negotiation. Negotiation is a process of communication between two or more parties with different goals or interests, aimed at reaching an agreement that is mutually beneficial or satisfies each party's needs. 2. Goals of negotiation. The primary goal of negotiation is to reach an agreement that is acceptable to all parties involved. These goals include achieving a win-win solution. Both parties feel they have gained something and are not at a disadvantage. Conflict resolution. Negotiation is often used to resolve disputes or conflicts between parties. Maintaining or improving relationships. Negotiation is not just about the outcome. It also aims to preserve or strengthen relationships between the parties involved. 3. Types of negotiation. Distributive negotiation. This type of negotiation occurs when resources, money, time, goods, are limited, and one party may end up with more than the other. It is often referred to as zero-sum negotiation. Integrative negotiation. This focuses on finding a solution that benefits both sides, often by creating additional value or finding creative solutions that satisfy the interests of all parties. 4 steps in negotiation. Negotiation typically follows several structured steps. 1. Preparation. Before beginning negotiations, parties must thoroughly prepare. This involves research on the other party, determining goals and priorities, and preparing arguments and alternatives. 2. Opening. The parties involved start the conversation by stating their positions. Ground rules may be set at this stage. 3. Bargaining. During this phase, both parties begin to offer solutions or make requests. This step often involves making compromises and concessions. 4. Closure and agreement. After bargaining, both parties reach an agreement. This is when a contract or written agreement may be signed to formalize the deal. 5. Strategies in negotiation. Several strategies are commonly used in negotiation. Positions versus interests. Good negotiators distinguish between positions, what is being asked for, and interests, why the request is being made. Batna, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Knowing your Batna gives you leverage in negotiations. It's the best option you have if the negotiation fails. ZOPA, Zone of Possible Agreement. This is the area where both parties can reach a mutually acceptable agreement. It's typically between the range of what both sides are willing to accept. Framing, how you present or frame the issue can significantly influence the negotiation process and outcomes. 6 skills required for negotiation. Key skills needed for effective negotiation include effective communication. The ability to clearly and persuasively present your ideas and arguments is essential. Active listening. Listening carefully and understanding the other party's perspective helps build rapport and trust. Emotional control. A good negotiator remains calm and rational, even when the situation becomes tense. Creativity. Finding innovative solutions that benefit both sides is an important skill. Persuasion. The ability to convince the other party to agree with your position or proposal. 7. Barriers in negotiation. Several barriers can affect the negotiation process, including cultural differences. In international negotiations, cultural misunderstandings can create significant challenges. Uncontrolled emotions. If one party becomes overly emotional, it can derail the negotiation. Lack of information. Inadequate information can lead to poor decision-making. Time constraints. Sometimes negotiations